best smart dimmer switches enhance your home's ambience by providing customizable lighting, energy efficiency, and seamless control via apps or voice assistants, creating a comfortable, mood-friendly environment with ease. My today's video is about top 5 best smart dimmer switches that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Casa Smart Dimmer Switch HS220P3. If you're looking to elevate your home ambience effortlessly, the Casa Smart Dimmer Switch HS220P3 3-pack is an excellent choice for homeowners who want both convenience and control. This smart dimmer switch operates on 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and integrates seamlessly with Alexa and Google Home, allowing you to adjust brightness with just your voice. Installation is straightforward with the Casa app guiding you through connecting the neutral wire and securing the switch in place. You'll love the 0% to 100% dimming capability and the scheduling feature that enhances your home security. Plus, with UL certification, you can trust its safety. Enjoy customizable lighting setups and reliable performance without connectivity issues, making your home smarter and more inviting. Now our second product is Treat Life Smart Dimmer Switch. The Treat Life Smart Dimmer Switch 4-pack is an excellent choice for homeowners looking to enhance their living spaces with customizable lighting control. Compatible with Alexa and Google Home, these switches support 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and require a neutral wire for installation. You can easily adjust brightness from 1% to 100% and enjoy the memory function that recalls your last setting. Installation takes about 10 minutes per switch, and the straightforward setup connects seamlessly to your smart home system. Manage your lighting remotely via the smartphone app, set schedules, and even share access with family members for group control. While it offers reliable performance, keep in mind it doesn't support 5 GHz Wi-Fi and may revert brightness after power failures. Our third product is Amazon Basics Smart Dimmer Switch. For anyone looking to enhance their home ambience effortlessly, the Amazon Basics Smart Dimmer Switch is an excellent choice. This single-pole dimmer switch works exclusively with Alexa, allowing you to control your lighting with just your voice. Thanks to its 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity, you don't need a hub for installation. You can also schedule your lights and manage them remotely through the Alexa app. Installation is straightforward, requiring neutral wires, but you'll find step-by-step guidance in the user manual and a helpful video. The switch measures 2.91 by 4.64 by 1.62 inches and boasts a solid average rating of 4.4 stars from over 1,100 customers, making it a reliable option for your smart home setup. Those who want an affordable and user-friendly smart lighting solution that integrates seamlessly with Alexa. Now number 4, Casa Apple HomeKit Smart Dimmer Switch. Looking to elevate your home ambience with smart technology? The Casa Apple HomeKit Smart Dimmer Switch, KS220P3, is a fantastic choice. With its single-pole design and requirement for a neutral wire, this dimmer connects to your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and works seamlessly with Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant. Installation is straightforward and guided by the Casa app, typically taking about an hour. Users rave about the dimming functionality and advanced scheduling features that let you control lights remotely or set gradual on/off times. While some have faced connectivity issues, many recommend this dimmer for its reliability and value, especially when purchased in packs. Overall, it's a smart investment for enhancing your home's lighting experience. And our last choice is Casa Smart 3-Way Dimmer Switch KIT. If you're seeking a versatile lighting solution that seamlessly integrates into your smart home setup, the Casa Smart 3-Way Dimmer Switch KIT is an excellent choice. This dimmable light switch not only replaces traditional 3-way switches in various areas of your home but also allows you to control brightness from 1% to 100% using the Casa app or voice commands through Alexa and Google Assistant. With easy installation guidelines in the Casa app, you'll enjoy automated lighting schedules without the need for a hub. Plus, it supports incandescent bulbs up to 300 W and dimmable LEDs up to 150 W. Trusted by over 7 million users, this ETL-certified switch comes with a 2-year warranty for peace of mind. Those looking to upgrade their home lighting with a smart, dimmable switch that integrates easily with voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.